These aren't just cars, they're legends. The Chevrolet Camaro and Ford Mustang are iconic muscle cars that have been battling it out for the title of King of the Streets for over half a century. And today, we're going to find out who will be the best in 2024. And before I start, I will ask you to subscribe to the channel, put a like and click on the bell not to miss new videos on this channel. And here we go. How it all started? Camaro versus Mustang is more than just a competition. It's a war that has been going on for nearly 60 years. Picture this, 1966, Ford releases the Mustang and the world immediately falls in love. Then, a couple of years later, Chevrolet says, "Hey, wait a minute," and launches its fighter, the Camaro. Since then, every new release has been a challenge, and 2024 is no exception. But here's an interesting fact. 2024 could be the last year for the Camaro. Yes, Chevy has decided to close this lineup, so we may have the last chapter of this epic battle in front of us. So get ready to witness history in the making, because this rivalry is one for the ages. Appearance. Well, let's be honest, both are handsome. The 2024 Camaro stays true to its signature, understated and muscular shape. It's a predator on the road, as if to say, don't come any closer unless you're confident in your abilities. Inside, it's minimalist, but everything you need to drive is at your fingertips. You like analog style? That's your choice, but Ford has looked to the future. The new Mustang is like a gadget with wheels. Huge 13-inch screen, fully digital dashboard. You feel like you're in the cockpit of a spaceship. What's under the hood? This is where the magic begins. The Camaro offers a choice for every taste, from the base Turbo 4 to the 650 horsepower ZL1 monster. And if you like to burn rubber, this guy will have you grinning ear to ear. The roar of that engine is music to any muscle car lover's ears. The Mustang, for its part, answers with the new Dark Horse. There's 500 horsepower and a purely atmospheric V8. Yes, it's a little weaker, but it makes up for it with its technology. And the Magna Ride suspension makes every ride, well, a thrill. No matter which car you choose, you'll feel the power every time you push the pedal. It's an experience that can't be matched. Who's first at the stoplight? The Camaro ZL1 is a bullet. It gets to 100 kilometers per hour in just under 3.5 seconds. You can literally feel yourself being squeezed into the seat. That's the real acceleration. The Mustang Dark Horse is slightly slower, 4.1 seconds. But it's not just about speed. It's more stable in handling, especially if you like to attack corners. In this regard, the Mustang has a slight edge over the Camaro. So if you want to win at a stoplight, Camaro. But if you like the track and smoothness, the Mustang is your choice. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating ride, whether you're on a drag strip or winding roads. An experience you won't forget. That sound, that engine roar. The Camaro is like a wild animal you try to tame, but it just won't let you relax. You're always on the edge with it. The thrill never ends. The Mustang is different. It's still brash, but it's more mannered. It's a muscle car that put on a suit and decided to be a businessman. It's comfortable in the city, but on the track, it's still ready to show who's boss. Both offer a driving experience that you won't soon forget, no matter where you take them. Whether you're cruising down the highway or pushing the limits, these cars know how to leave an impression. Final verdict. So, who's the winner? If you want maximum power and the classic feel of an American muscle car, go for the Camaro. But if you want modern technology, comfort and a little more balance, the Mustang is waiting for you. Both cars have their own strengths, and no matter which one you choose, you'll be in for an unforgettable ride. But here's the truth. By choosing any of these cars, you become a part of history. So the decision is yours. What will it be? The final showdown is coming and only one will stand victorious. Camaro or Mustang? Which will you choose? Tell us in the comments, give it a like, subscribe and hit the bell. It was FlashFacts. See you on the next video.